Hello guys, welcome to Asiana Fan. Today we'll be looking at the American Airlines Boeing 777-300ER jet. So the wedge is November 733 Alpha Romeo, and this is in London Heathrow. Just like you can see T4 in the background. So as well, you can see Jet Airways 777-300ER, two of them, Gulf Air Boeing 787-9, and China Southern Boeing 787-8, I think. Or is that a -9? I don't know. But it flies to 4 destinations from Heathrow: Miami, JFK, Dallas, and LAX. Flies 2 destinations from LA, London and Hong Kong, and sometimes Miami, and sometimes Tokyo, Haneda. And we'll be looking at how many American Airlines Boeing 777-300ERs we can see on Flight Radar 24. And yeah, let's go on there now. Okay, so we're in Flight Radar 24, and we could see 3 already. AA126 Hong Kong to Dallas, N720AN, American Airlines Flight 193 LAX to Hong Kong, N724AN. Let's see the other one, AA192 Hong Kong to LAX, N733AR, the one that was in Heathrow. Wow, that one looks nice. Okay, where are all the others all? AA109 London Heathrow to LA. Had a diversion somewhere. Ooh, where's this? Ooh, where's this diversion? Like near. It's in Maine. Wow. AA109. That's quite. Anyway, Heathrow to Los Angeles, N717AN. That's nice. American Airlines Flight 39, Heathrow to Miami, N719AN. AA900, Buenos Aires to Miami, N731AN. That's at Hong Kong. Behind it's Eva Air's triple. That's got no cow sign. It's in Dallas, N732AN. I believe there's one more. Yep. American Airlines Flight 57 from Heathrow to Miami. And that's N726AN. And anyway, I'll see you. And anyway, that's it for us now. I'll see you guys in the next vid. Bye!